What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. And in today's video, we're going to pick up a 3rd gen Dodge single cab. The people getting it, or the dealership, said it is completely stock. I just thought I'm going to do this and build it into a police truck because I know the police department has been looking for one. So let me back up to my trailer here, and I will go pick it up and I will show it to y'all when we get there. Alrighty here, so we got the dealership coming up. They said it was parked around back, so it didn't really catch anybody's eye because they wanted me to get it because they know what I'm doing with it. Okay, there it is right there. It's an ugly color, but we're going to get it all fixed up for the PD, or police department. So, let me put the gun away. Don't want to get caught with that. So, yeah, I think I'm fixing to just go take it for a test drive real quick, see what I think about it. Now, everything is bone stock other than window tint. Window tint, they went ahead and done that for me. That way, for kind of like a little contribution to the police department for them, saving me a little bit of money for what I'm doing. Yeah, I got it to the floor right now. It's going to stop around probably 50-ish. Might surprise, it's going to go higher. That's surprising. That's when away with that kind of putting the grill and stuff on it for the police department here. So. Alright, so as y'all can tell, we did buy the truck. We're going to take it to the shop. I'm going to just pay somebody at the shop to do it for me through the bill and stuff. Yeah, I will pick y'all guys up when we come to pick the truck up. Alrighty, guys, we're at the gas station right across the road. Fixing to go pick up the truck. Oh, just jumped that curb real quick. Did not see that there. I thought the driveway was way wider. Yeah, there, right there to the right is the shop that the truck is in. Just been doing no cop, no stop apparently. Oh wow, from what I can see, this truck looks really good. I think I'm gonna back it off the ramp and take it for a test drive here. Let's see. But I got him to put on graps for me. It's just a cop package here. She runs pretty good. Lights and sirens are a plus. Oh, pops and wheelies. That's always good. I don't know why, but it's always good. Yeah, right here we're fixing to get yeah, we got her straight up right there. Yeah, I guess I'm fixing to load it on the trailer and take it to the police department. Alrighty, we've taken her down to the police department. He's gonna come down here, take it to them, let them see what they think about it. And right here is the police department here. Just gonna pull it and park it back here in the garage. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and catch you on the next one.